Platinum this week has rise in value, and we can see that the price has formed a bullish breakout about 911 and then continue to rise in value, reach the next resistance level around 935. And then from here the price has formed a bearish candle where the price has gone down all the way almost to this demand zone, and then price retraced on the Friday. So currently the price is in between a resistance level here and the support level at 911. On the weekly time frame we can see how this looks. This looks after the price has touched this support level, the price has bounced back up, and we can see that the price has gone above the first resistance level here, and the price has stopped just at the second one here. So we can see how this looks on the weekly time frame. It is a very important level for the price. Let's just make this one here as weekly so we can see much better, because this is a very important level for the price. We can see it here. The price needs to make a breakout in order to go to 962, which is the next resistance level. So this will be much more clearly visible on the daily time frame, but we can see that the price is jumping all the time between these two price levels. It is very unclear and it's very hard for the price to make any strong breakouts. We can see that the price has formed this bearish breakout, reached the next support level, but it has returned the next week, which is triggered the move in the opposite direction. And also we can see it here, after the price has formed this bullish breakout, the price reached almost the next resistance level here, but the price returned back down with this bearish candle going triggering the move in the opposite direction again. So this is something that's happening on the platinum currently, which means there are no strong buyers and also strong sellers that could push the price in the long term in the opposite direction. We can see these large moves like this, which was a downtrend, but currently the price is moving in sideways. On the monthly time frame, it is the same scenario. We can see it here, the way the price is jumping between these two price levels, and the very important level is below that is 891. A great support level that is holding the price from falling down. Based on this one, what we can see, this was a bearish attempt, a bearish breakout with the next candle that has returned back up, which means invalidation of this bearish breakout, which usually suggests a move in the opposite direction on the monthly time frame. So the monthly time frame is suggesting that we could see the price reaching an area, first one here 954, and then around this one 971 as a second target. So this is something that is a potentially target on the monthly time frame, and this is something that I am watching closely to see the price around this area. So we will see, will the price manage that, and that is something that we need to watch on the weekly time frame. So the next target and also the final target will be around this area 972 up to 985, and on the weekly time frame we can see that 962 is the first level, a resistance level that needs to be broken, and then we can see 975 and also 993, which are the targets for the monthly time frame. So what I can see here, I need to see a breakout on the weekly time frame above 937 in order to go up, but let's go to the daily time frame to see how this looks. We can see that 937 is the first resistance level that needs to be broken in order to go to a higher price level. So the price is in between these two price levels. I am expecting, and I am what I can see currently on the market, I'm expecting to see the price to go down, to go up based on the monthly time frame, and on the weekly and the daily we can see that the price is inside the range area. So what I'm expecting, we will see what happens around this area with this support level. Currently we can see the price has bounced on Friday but did not reach this area here. There is a strong selling pressure, but also the buyers have exited their trades here around this area, lost their profit, which has been triggered this sell-off that the price has reached this area. For now, what I can see, I need to see breakout of this area here. This is the resistance level in order to see the price on a higher price level. So this is the first step, and this is something that I will watch on the daily time frame and share with the traders inside the Telegram group. So this is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.